Hey honeycrunchers! For today, I'll be doing some colorful chevrons plus a cute kitty on my ring nail. I used white as my base color. Then, I'll be using this chevron image from this stamping plate. Then apply a holographic top coat on the chevron image on your stamper. Let it dry, then apply the colors of your choice. Then, let it dry and apply top coat. Then, make a bunch of those and let it dry completely. I waited for like an hour and a half just to make sure every layer of polish is dry. Then, apply a fast drying top coat onto the nail. Let it dry a bit and stamp the decal onto your nail. Then, do the cleanup. After that, apply top coat. Now, let's move on with the kitty. Wait for it to dry and stamp it onto the nail. Then apply top coat. And there you have it. I hope you enjoyed watching the video. Give this video lots of love by clicking the like button. Don't forget to share this video and see to it that you click the subscribe button. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!